and welcome to my channel. I'm Salito. If you're new to this channel, please don't hesitate to subscribe, send me a comment, and also hit that like button. To all my subscribers, thank you again for watching today. This video is going to be about unboxing my new camera, which is called Anteam FHD1080p vlogging camera that I bought. But for all along that I started this channel a little while ago, I've been using my phone and a little camera, a little microphone called VX-10 that I use with my phone. But today I'm going to unbox this one. I'm very excited about it because this camera comes with a microphone, and when we're gonna find out how it works. Yeah, so let me start by, it just came today. As you can see, I ordered it in Amazon, so it just came today. So I'm going to unbox it. Alright, this is some kind of a protection so that it doesn't mess up, Okay. This is a camera. This is a camera. It's called FHD with night shot. As you can see, it's a digital recorder phone. It has some specification here. It's a 920 1080p. The megapixels is 24 max. Zoom, it has a digital zoom, not of 16x. Let's see what is inside of this. Alright. Oh, no. I hope I didn't mess it up. Okay. I guess it's gonna be a little, okay, I got it. Alright, comes with a, okay, this is a cord that you connect it to, I guess to the computer. Alright, like we said, it comes with a microphone. I'm excited about it because it comes with a microphone that is attached to the camera. I've been looking for something like this, and starting a new channel like this, you don't want to spend that much because the channel is still new. So I bought this below $100. It was on sale in Amazon. So I'm gonna see how it works, because when you started a new channel, you have your niche. My niche is that I'm providing important information, the right information to people, and also trying to connect people to this information. Maybe later in the future, I'll be able to do more things, and I will need a better camera. But for now, I just need a phone or a camera that has a better audio, that I can be able to pass that information to the people that need it. Okay, now this is a manual for the camera. You know, it's always good to go through the manual so that you better understand how the camera works. Okay, you also have another camera, another cord. I guess this is for you to transfer the data, maybe. I think this is a stabilizer, hand stabilizer for the camera. Oh, it comes with a remote too. So you can be able to use the remote. Okay, this is for your microphone. You know, you connect the camera to the microphone. All right, before we get to the camera, I think we have oh yeah, we have two batteries, rechargeable batteries. This is good for vlogging because you know, if you vlogging and one of your battery dies out, you can be able to, you know, use another one while you still you know, vlogging. Okay, this is oh, this is a charger. So this cord was for you to be able to charge the camera. One of it is for you to charge the camera, and one is for you to charge the camera, and one is for you to transfer the data. All right, this is a microphone. Okay, this is a microphone. Like I said, okay, let's look at the camera. Oh man, it's nice. What I like about it is it's very light. You can carry it anywhere. Very portable. Okay. Very portable. See? You can carry it anywhere. Oh, it has a nice screen, and I think it's touchable. It's a touch screen. I don't know yet, but I think so. Okay, this is where you put the microphone. And look at this little cord what I was telling you about. I think you connect it. Okay, right here. You connect it to the mic, to the camera, and see, like that, onto the microphone. Yeah. Connect to the camera and to the microphone. Let me see. Okay, this is how it goes. Yep. Then you're able to attach it here. Let me figure out, see how we can attach it. Okay. How do you do it? Oh yeah. I wasn't able to do it because you need to take this little flip out. Then now, okay, you can be able to attach it, and then make sure you hold it down. Okay. See? This is how it goes, and you're able to, you know, start, you know, using your camera to take videos. And I guess it works. Let's see if it works. See how we can turn it on. Okay. We can't turn it on if we don't attach, or if we don't have a battery in it. So we're still figuring out where the battery goes. I think the battery goes right here. Okay? I'm able to figure out where the battery goes, so let's put the battery. See how it works. Okay. Okay, I'm able to put out the battery, and you can see that it works. It has a nice screen. See that it works. It has a nice screen. And oh, yeah. See, it's a touch screen. Yeah. Now we cannot be able to use the features if we haven't read the manual yet. So I won't be able to go beyond this point to do anything to the camera. I'm not really that good with electronic. So I just thought that unboxing this thing and showing it to my viewers, it might help someone out there that is thinking about starting a YouTube channel or thinking about buying something that is affordable. Like I said, this is about $100 in YouTube in Amazon, and it also comes with something else. Oh, it comes with a stand. Let me see. Oh, wow. This is good. On that $100, you can beat it. Comes with this. Okay. This is all for how far it can go, I guess. Yeah. Oh yeah, you can beat it, man. Yep. So this come together with the phone. Can beat this. I guess it goes more than this. I just have to figure out how far it can go. Yeah. Okay. Alright, so I guess that's everything that okay, we have this. I think this goes with this goes according to the video when I saw it, it goes right here to protect the screen. I guess so. I'll figure that out. My viewers out there, you can see this camera is called an Anteam FHD1080p. And I was going to what they told me. I haven't used it. They said it's a good vlogging camera, and I guess if you can, I mean, below $100 with all what it comes with it, you can beat it, man. So I'll try and find out if it works for me, especially with a microphone on this camera. So I hope this helps anyone out there or my viewers that is thinking about buying a camera for vlogging and you don't want to spend that much. Please try this one. And thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to subscribe, hit the like button, and send a comment. Thank you. I'll talk to you later.